Alright guys, welcome back. I hope everyone's having a good weekend. I was thinking about something I really wanted to talk about that's really getting on my nerves in the car community, and I thought we'd put a little spin on it. So I'm going to get my point across, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
They never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet to sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that it dies a penitentiary. Nice sky, my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Acrylics hella cloudy, or the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a co-sign me. I don't even like me, no, I'm staring in the mirror. Claiming the winners to shy, but timid the winners.
Being a millennial car enthusiast has never been so easy. We're going to take you through a few of the top steps of my build and tell you exactly how you get into modern day car culture.
Ma, where's my plasti dip?
My mom must have moved my plasti dip, so we're gonna have to skip that part for now. But my mom lives with me. Let's just be clear about that. This is my place. She lives with me, and I'm a full-time car enthusiast. You can see right here is my 2003 CELICA GTS, and I got the eBay headlights, and you can get those wherever eBay is accessible. You see we got the halos there, so everybody knows you mean business. It is a TRD. This isn't just a regular GTS, and this is actually a CELICA All-Track, the only CELICA All-Track of the 7th generation. So number one thing you gotta do to your car, you gotta fix the exhaust so people know you mean business when you're running down the street. So I take you over here and I'll show you exactly what I did. I put this fart can on here. It rattles around a little bit when I drive, but that's just kind of like giving everyone a warning jingle as for when I'm coming down the street. It's got that Neo Chameleon chrome on it. That's one thing that you have to have. If you guys cannot afford to buy a fart can at your local eBay or AutoZone, you can definitely just cut the muffler off and have the exact same effect. It'll make it super loud, but the rest of your exhaust is exactly the same. So people will say it don't do nothing, but I can tell you right now, I've beaten a lot of Eclipses and Camaros with this thing on here. People underrate these import boys. Next thing you're going to want to do is black out your taillights. You're going to be passing people anyway, so you might as well give them something nice to look at. Nice and cheap. It really gives your car that full customization that you're looking for. Go to your local AutoZone, Napa, pick up a can of nightshades or just black spray paint. Doesn't really matter. I actually wrap these with carbon fiber infused tint. Super stealthy and super lightweight. Moving around to the wheels on my car, we also got the Neo Chrome lug nuts, and these are 3-piece Rota wheels. I know it looks like I just painted over the stock wheels, but I did not. These are 3-piece Rotas. Make sure you get genuine ones off of eBay because you know you can trust everything that's on eBay. Give your car hot boy status. Next, we're gonna pop the hood, show you what we got. But I got this genuine carbon fiber dash kit. Give me a little bit of weight reduction, right down to a custom-made shift boot that I stole out of my old man's liquor cabinet. He actually lives with me as well. I don't live with them, he lives with me. We'll pop the hood. I never work on this thing, so I'm not even sure where to do it. I have my guys do that. So you're gonna want to get one of these. This is a genuine K&N turbo ram charge performance cold air intake. I know it goes back towards the motor, so some people say it's not cold air, but it definitely is. There's actually a turbo right here, and there's nitrous ports running through these lines right here. Go back, make you extra fast. This was actually only about 50 bucks on eBay. You buy right from K&N, and it's gonna cost you about $300. Now, if you want to get into trucks and stuff, you can do that too. This is my 92 FJ Cruiser. I actually am waiting on the Cali lean kit to show up. If you look right here though, this baby, I know it's Japanese and we want to keep it American. So under this bonnet here, we got a 12-valve Cummins swap. I'm not going to show you, so you're just going to have to believe me. But this, you want to get into the trucks and SUVs and mudding and stuff like that, bogging, you got to get a little more into the persona. You got to get your flannels, you got to get your sunglasses, hold on a second. Almost forgot my white Oakleys. Sorry, boys, but yeah, you can get into a little yeehaw if you want to. All you need is some Oakleys, and you wait for your tax return and your weekly allowance from your folks so you can buy one of these sick puppies. All right, guys, so I hope you got a good laugh out of that video. If you liked the video, make sure you drop a like down below. Subscribe if you have not already. I really just wanted to try something a little bit different with this video. That's half the fun sometimes, just experimenting. So I hope you guys all had a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next time.